All right, we're going to continue on now to a new type variable on both sides. So you draw your line, and what's different about this one is you have an x term on both sides, so you can't just combine them together, you have to undo. So I'm going to get rid of this plus 3x by minusing it over. And notice I write it under the x term because those are my like terms. So 5x minus 3x is 2x plus 8 equals 30. Copy what's left. And now it's a simple two-step, so I subtract 8. Okay, 30 minus 8 is 22. And then this is connected by multiply, so the opposite is to divide again. Your final answer on this one is x equals 11. All right, so go ahead and try this one on your own. All right, let's see how you did. You got a 5x and a negative 2x. You want to move this negative 5x over, or positive, excuse me. You get rid of it by doing a negative. Negative 2 and negative 5 make negative 7. You're going more in the hole. You just have 28 left over here, because that's gone. You divide because it's multiplication, the opposite. 28 divided by negative 7 is going to be a negative answer, and it's 4. All right, and then the last type before we move on to the bottom part of your benchmark is fractions. So these are slightly different. So I want to emphasize the difference between these. This one has just a bar over the x. This one has a bar under the whole thing. So this first one, x over negative 3 plus 5 equals 12, you want to get rid of the add subtract first. That cancels, so I'm left with x over negative 3 equals 12 minus 5 is 7. And then now I get rid of this division. The opposite of division is to multiply by negative 3. Those cancel out. Your final answer is x equals negative 21. Now let's stress the difference between that one and this one. This one, the bar is over the whole thing. So it's like these you cannot get to. You cannot get to that 2 until you get rid of the 4. So to get rid of the 4, I'm going to multiply. Those are gone. You're left with x plus 2 equals negative 12. And then now I can get to that 2 by subtracting it. So my final answer is x equals negative 14. All right, so see which one you do first on this one. Do you want to get rid of the negative 1 or the 2? Look back if you have to. Go ahead and try this one on your own. All right, let's see how you did. The bar is over the whole thing, so you have to get rid of the 2 first by multiplying. So it's x minus 1 is left. 5 times 2 is 10, and then the last step is to just get rid of that negative 1 by adding. You should have gotten 11. Okay?